Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a health bar UI in your Roblox game. A health bar where it shows you your health remaining. If you get damage, it will show you how much health you have left. So to do this, we have to go here in Starter GUI and insert here Screen GUI, which we can name it Health UI. Okay, now we have to insert in this Screen GUI a frame which we have to name it background, and let me size it. So let's put it on the center. Okay, so something like this. Now let's center it. We have to make it red, something like this, and let's add a Y corner, set it to 1, 0, 1, 0. Add here an Y stroke 2. Let's make it 4. And now we have to insert here in background another frame, which we have to name it health display. Let's go to size and make it 1, 0, 1, 0. So it's full in this frame. We have to make it green, something like this, and let's don't forget about the Y corner, like this. And we have to insert here a text label in the background. Let's change the text to health. Enable text scaled, make it white. Go to font and change it to whatever you want. I will choose Fredoka 1. We will have to make the background transparency to 1 and add here an Y stroke and make it 2. And let's make it a little smaller. Okay, so this looks right. Now we have to go here and insert in health display a local script. You will find this local script in the description. So this is the final script. We can close it now, and technically we are done with this. Now to test it to see if it works, let's add here in workspace a part, something like this. Let's scale it to make it a little bigger, something like this. Change the color to red, and let's add the script here. This will be the killed part, and also you will find the script in the description. Okay, so we are done with this script too, so let's close it and test the game. Okay, so here is our health bar. If we touch this, we will see our health is decreasing. So it matches this one with this one, so everything works fine. Thanks to everyone who watched until the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the video and everything works fine for you too. If you have any problems, just contact me through comments, and I will answer and help you without any problems. I would really appreciate you guys if you could leave a like on this video or subscribe to the channel, because that will help me so much. And this was the video for today, and I will see you again in a few days with a new tutorial.